Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. And in this video, let's learn Arduino with Python. So when Arduino meets Python, you can do crazy stuff. So in this project, we are going to learn how to control an LED through Python. We do the reverse. We connect sensors to Arduino microcontrollers. We read using Python. You want to upload the data to your server or a database. Let's learn how to do that and in this video. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, we go with the Python where I'm going to write the Python code. So first of all, what I do is importing a module, serial. Okay, I import a module known as serial. Then I create an object, Arduino data equals serial, cap serial, and com port 12. Then I give the baud rate, it has to be 9600. Then I give the timeout, that is usually, oops, I made a mistake, did I? Timeout equals to 1 second. That's pretty much it. Now what I need to do is I need to take a input from a user. User equals to input, enter data. So enter data, perfect. Now after entering data, we need to send the data to the Arduino. So the way you would do that is Arduino data dot write, and I have to do user, and I need to encode as UTF because that's the format that Arduino understands basically. And just one more thing, and then this properly. All right, we're done with the Python code. Let's do the Arduino. Serial.begin 9600 as usual, and that's it. My data equals to end serial dot read. If my data equals to 1, digital write high. If my data is equal to 0, digital write low. Simple enough. So let's do this. Let's run this quickly. I hope. So voila, that's working. All right, now the Python. I hope it works. Okay. So right now you can see the onboard LED is off. Let me turn the lights off so you can see it fully. All right, so you can see the onboard LED is off. I press 1, it should be turned on. Yay, it's turned on. All right, but we got some error that we can, of course, fix it off later on. Let me turn the lights on again. And yep, all right. So what is the error? Serial.util serial.exception could not open the comport well. Permission error comport 13 access. Okay, some comport is basically accessing. So you saw I turned the LED on. So similarly, I can, in order to get rid of the errors, what you can do is simply um, do a try block. So basically, if you're good at coding, you can do this. So I'm doing a try block. If this works, my bad. Right? Except print. Oops. This is much better code, I would say. Let's run this. Right. So currently the LED is turned off. So I press 1. Okay, gives me error due to some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, we'll fix it up later on. That's not an issue. So yep. So that was a basic code about Arduino and Python. So now we are gonna learn how to receive data from Arduino. So I have a lot of tabs here. I'm gonna try my best to get it easy. This is the code. Yep, that's the code. Alright, so this is the Arduino code. Basically, I'm just running a for loop and printing values after 1 second. Just run this, and I'm gonna write a Python code to read the data. Alright, we're good with this one, man. Alright, let's remove this. Come to Python, receive code, simple Arduino, creating a serial object. Then val equals to Arduino data dot read line. Now this will give me an error. Basically, why? Basically, let me show you. I need to encode the data first. So if I run this, come on. All right, so I'm getting this garbage data with R and N, that is read new line. But what I can do is basically, guys, I can dot decode as ASCII. Quickly run this. Come on, 0, 1. You see, lovely. How about now you can do data analysis on this. So if I just say, I'm not sure, I'm just doing something random right now. So I do import matplotlib. Oops, matplotlib. All right. I'm not sure about this. Will work? Will this work or not? How about we do this one? Okay. I just create an empty list basically. All right, and x equals to this. So L dot append. I'm gonna say val. Um, I don't remember the syntax right now for the graph, so I can just check it online for you. So give me a second. Let me. All right. Okay, come on. My internet is a little bit slow right now. Python matplot lib plot graph. I mean actually I forgot the syntax. I don't remember it exactly. It has been a while I worked with matplotlib. So yeah, but you can do it quickly. Oh, it's plt dot. Okay. So import matplotlib as plt usually as they show as plt. All right, then they do plt dot plot. Okay, that okay. So we do plt dot plot. That's all. Plt dot plot. We're gonna do what L. All right, we're gonna do L. And okay, let's do it this way. If I want this loop to iterate not one times basically, so I'm gonna say for x in range 10 times maybe, right? Or maybe 12 times. Alright, so this is gonna iterate 10 times or 12 times, and then I do this plt. Now plt dot plot, and it's plt dot plot. Oops. Alright, then I simply pass in the parameter as you can see. Plt dot plot. Okay, so basically it takes two arguments. So let's say L comma L for now. So just passing, it should be a straight line passing through. I mean, basically a straight line. Not pretty much. So I'm just gonna do plt dot show. Let's run this, and I hope I should get a graph. I'm not sure. I did it a long time back with matplotlib. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, plt dot show attributes as module matplotlib has no attributes plot. That's crazy. plt dot okay. Oh, I think. And if I try this again, let's see if it works. Oh, I got my mistake actually. I just forgot to open bracket here. So, oops. Now this will work. I'm pretty confident about this. Let's see. So I get 0, I get 1, 2. So 12, 1 to 12. So 1 to maybe 11 or 9. All right, yeah, that's it. So here you see how you can use Python to interact with a microcontroller. So I showed you how to read data from Python, how to write data to Python using. So basically, this is the code to read the data. I'm just creating a serial port. I'm creating a serial port. I'm specifying the baud rate and the com port and the timeout, and just doing a serial read line and decoding the value of ASCII as I showed you. And in order to write data to Arduino, it is simply so with me. Come again. Arduino dot write dot user. Remember that. Whatever input you want to write. Let's say I want to write 1, so you dot encode it always, okay, remember that, and it should be utf slash read. So this is a quick tutorial on how to interface Arduino with Python. A lot of videos are coming in, so stay connected with me. I'm going to teach you how to read data from Arduino, create your own database, upload it to a cloud server and stuff like that. Stay connected, and I will see you guys next time. If you have questions, please put your questions in the comment section below. If you need this code, I would try my best. It would be there in the comment section, but please go to my GitHub account and you'll find all the codes usually there. So that's it for this video, and see you guys next time. If you have questions, mail me at shahsoumil519@gmail.com. SHEHSOUMIL 519@gmail.com. See you. Bye bye. Take care.